Hello! Welcome back to another exciting Unreal Engine tutorial. Today, we're diving into the world of game modes essential for setting up the foundation of your game. In Unreal Engine, game modes play a pivotal role in managing and storing crucial data for your game. Think of it as the central hub that oversees everything from actors to pawns, playable characters, and beyond. If you're starting with a fresh project, it's essential to have a game mode set up. For a blank project, you'll need to create one. However, if you're using a template like the first or third-person player, a default game mode is already in place. To find and modify your game mode, head to the Windows button, navigate to World Settings, and look for the Game Mode tab. Remember, there's a hierarchy from actors to pawns to playable characters and up to the game mode. Any overarching data that needs to be shared across these entities is best stored in the game mode. You can select a base game mode from the available options, providing basic information for your game. However, for more flexibility, let's explore creating a custom game mode. Go to Content folder, click on the Add New button at the bottom. Choose Blueprint class and select Game Mode Base. Name your game mode, I'll call it BP_new game mode. Now, we have our custom game mode ready to be customized. Within the custom game mode, you can specify elements such as a specific player class, character, or controller. This allows you to tailor the game experience according to your vision. To set your custom game mode as the main one, head to the World Settings panel, navigate to the Game Mode tab, and select BP_new game mode. And there you have it. Now we will explore creating a custom character to further enhance your game development journey. So with that, we're going to see is right-click down here and go to Blueprint class, and then we're going to go to Character. This is a type of actor which then gives you the ability to walk around and also of course assets. It allows you to receive inputs from a controller as well. So we give this name, we'll call it BP_new character like so. And now we have our main player character just to check to see if this is working. What we do is add a little bit of functionality for an input key, so we will press H on the keyboard. And if it is pressed, we'll get it to print hello. Just like so. Now what we have to do is first set the default player class to that of our main player. Like so, and make sure that you have a player stop location in the world. Now after having the BP_new character selected, press play. You will notice nothing happens. Anyway, before selecting PLA, ensure that you have BP_new game mode selected under game mode. Just to understand the difference, please revert to original game mode and press play. You will see the original main queen starts appearing and taking up the control, which is nor happening with BP_new character. Now to test the hello word, go back to the BP_new character. Go to Event Graph and the right click. In the search bar, type keyboard and the H. Now select the character H. The H, when enable is pressed, will show hello word printed on screen. So connect a print string with the outer node of H, like this. Now compile it and save. Now go back to the viewport. Now when we go in, you'll notice I can no longer move my mouse around, but if I press H, it will now say hello. So I have direct control over the play character, and that's how you create a basic play character. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Unreal Engine insights. Thanks for joining, and happy character crafting in Unreal Engine.